Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the upper spray arm bearing on your dishwasher. It's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a 1/4" nut driver. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we're going to open the door up, and I find it easier if we remove both racks. So just slide that bottom one out, set it aside. Now to remove the upper one, we're just going to pull these slide rails out, and then using a flat blade screwdriver, we'll just release that little locking tab on the rack stop and pull it off the end of the rails. Do the same for both sides. Then pull that upper rack completely out of the dishwasher. Push the rails back out of the way, and we can set that rack aside. And then next we're going to remove that single 1/4" hex head screw that secures the upper spray arm to the tub. Now with the upper rack out of the way, we're next just going to remove this 1/4" screw at the top. And then we'll remove the upper spray arm and the bearing. So just remove what's left of the old bearing and discard it. Slide the new bearing into the spray arm. Make sure that there is no foreign debris on that shoulder screw. Reinsert that, and then we'll fit it back up into the spray arm supply tube. We need to make sure that we center that over the protrusion in the tub, and then retighten the screw. Make sure it turns freely, and then we can put the upper rack back in place. So to install that upper rack, pull those rails out, and then the other side, line them up so that we have all 4 wheels on the track. And then we can reinstall the rack stops, and that little locking tab needs to go on the outside edge. Push it on firmly until it locks in place. Push that rack in completely. Set the bottom rack in. And our repair is complete.